Now think about that. The sacredness and the value of the Kaaba, the value and the respect that we have of the Kaaba is so high. And yet Allah, to liberate the dignity of the Kaaba, revealed the truth of that to the Prophet ﷺ in a dream. The lowest form of revelation. And to restore the dignity of the fellow believer, and actually our mother Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, Allah Azza wa Jal revealed ayat of the Quran, the highest form of revelation. This helps us understand even the words of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which one time he turned to the Kaaba and said that the dignity of a believer is dearer to Allah than you. He turned to the Kaaba and said that, لَحُرْمَةُ الْمُؤْمِنِ أَعْظَمُ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ حُرْمَةً مِنْكِ. He said to the Kaaba that the dignity of a believer is more sacred to Allah, is more grand to Allah than your dignity. Now imagine, I've said this to you before, how much respect do we show to the Kaaba? When you will get the honor of being in the presence of the Kaaba, would you ever imagine being disrespectful or being condescending or making jokes about the house of Allah? Or I'm just saying, would you ever even think of doing that? You would be terrified at the idea. And yet, when it comes to your fellow believer, somebody else, it's so easy to just talk.